Ever wondered how professional traders see market liquidity and order flow in real time? That's where Bookmap comes in, a powerful tool that gives you a crystal clear view of where buyers and sellers are really active. In this video, I'll break down what Bookmap is, how it works, and why it can give you a serious trading edge. Bookmap is a trading platform that visualizes market depth, order flow, and liquidity heat maps. Unlike regular charts that show just price and volume, Bookmap shows where large orders are sitting, sometimes called the footprints of smart money. You can see buy and sell orders stacking up, canceled orders, and big players moving in or out. This lets traders anticipate support and resistance zones before they're obvious on normal chart. 1. Heat maps. Colored zones show where liquidity is high. Bright areas equals lots of resting orders. 2. Order book. See the live bids and asks, including iceberg orders that regular charts won't show. 3. Volume dots. Every trade prints in real time so you can track how much buying or selling is happening at specific price levels. 4. Replay function. You can replay historical market action to study how order flow affected price movements. This combination gives traders a level of insight beyond candlesticks or standard volume charts. Find key support and resistance. See where large orders are likely to hold or break. Spot manipulation or fakeouts. Detect when big players try to push price in one direction. Time entries and exits more accurately. Trade with precision rather than guessing. Learn order flow. Even if you're new, Bookmap shows how the market really works behind the scenes. Pro traders swear by it because it reduces guesswork and helps them make informed, high-probability trades. So that's Bookmap in a nutshell, the platform that gives you a real-time view of the market's hidden movements. If you're serious about taking your trading to the next level, learning order flow with Bookmap is a game changer. Tell me in the comments, do you use heat maps or order flow tools in your trading? And if you want free tips and setups to pair with tools like Bookmap, sign up for our newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more actionable trading strategies.